If it seems like you see more and more people with perfect smiles these days, you're right, because everyone from top fashion models and actors of the stage and screen to people right in your neighborhood have discovered that the secret to a beautiful smile can be found on the Upper West Side. The secret, as featured in these major national publications, on the news, and more, is a custom-designed Glassman smile from New York's dynamic husband and wife dentist team at Glassman Dental Care.
My new smile has had an impact on my entire life because I'm much more confident now. You know, I feel that I look good, so when you feel that you look good, you know, you just feel more confident in every other aspect of your life.
I've had my new smile for about a year now, and I've never been asked if I had my teeth done. I've just been told how beautiful they look.
Before I had the work done, because I had the silver spots and my gums showed all the time, I was very hesitant to smile, or I would smile and kind of cover, smile halfway or cover my mouth when I smiled or laughed. And now I don't do that. I'm very out loud and proud about my smile.
I actually used to be very sensitive about my smile. My lower teeth were really out of line. My top teeth were discolored, and now I often get compliments on my smile. And being sensitive before and now getting these compliments after, it really makes me feel like, this is something that was really worthwhile for me.
A lot of times when people haven't seen me for a long time and they ask me about what I've done, or a lot of times it's like, if you've gotten something done to your skin looks great. It's really great that they can't really place it, and it really tells me that it looks really natural, and just the work is just spectacular.
Strangers, honest to God, and I'm not making this up, honest to God, strangers have come up to me and said, "You have the most beautiful teeth. You were blessed with good genes." And I go, "Honey, I was blessed with a great doctor. The Glassmans are amazing."
Having straight teeth that look great and match your complexion makes a big difference. But it's not just about having a beautiful smile. It's about transforming your life with a new level of confidence.
A Glassman smile is special because, first and foremost, it achieves a confidence level with the patient. The patient starts to feel so much better about who they are. And when they smile in a room, or they meet friends or loved ones or even business associates, they have that confidence.
I work a lot one-on-one with clients, and what really makes a difference for me with having a new smile is I really feel confident about myself. I feel like polished when I'm not even polished. A lot of times I'm so rushed in my day, I'm always rushing to work, and just knowing that when I smile, and I do that a lot now, know that my teeth look spectacular, and that's one thing I'll never have to worry about.
My favorite thing about what I do is seeing a patient for the very first time and finding out their reasons that they want cosmetic dentistry, they want to improve the way they look, build their self-esteem, and to see the change when they're all done and they come in and their hair is done, their makeup is on, just to see them smile is just so gratifying.
When I was in middle school and in elementary school, 6th, 7th, 8th grade, my teeth were horrible. It created a really big self-esteem issue for me. So I didn't want to smile, and I was always a really giggly girl, so it was really hard to be myself. I went to the Glassmans, and Debbie said she'd love to do my teeth, and we wanted her to do my teeth because we've seen what she had done and it was great. So I had my veneers done.
I met with Stephen Glassman, and he did an analysis, and we talked about what work could be done to replace the caps. But in addition to the caps, I also had a very high gum line, which I never thought you could fix. When I smiled, all you saw was, gums, and then the gray teeth, and so it's like, well, what can we do about that? And then he came up with a treatment plan where he sent me to a surgeon. We cut the gums and actually moved my gum line up. A lot of people didn't know what I did. They were just like, "You look different. You look fantastic. Did you lose weight? Did you get your hair cut?" They weren't quite sure what I did.
When you put the best technology in the most experienced hands, the result is a Glassman smile. A smile that looks perfectly natural. A smile that fits your individual face. Whether you choose Invisalign or a complete smile makeover, Glassman Dental Care has the technology to make your smile the best it can be. With Invisalign, the Glassmans can give you straight, beautiful teeth. And Invisalign is just like the name sounds, invisible alignment. It uses a series of clear, comfortable, custom-fit aligners to gently move your teeth. With veneers, the Glassmans can create a dazzling new smile for you. And one of the things that sets a Glassman smile apart is the care taken in designing your new smile. The doctors consistently demonstrate a rare ability to combine artistry with scientific precision, and the result is a beautiful, natural-looking smile. Plus, the doctors consider everything from skin tone to the color of your eyes to the natural contrast that exists in tooth enamel, and the result is a dazzling white smile. Every face is different, and every smile the doctors create is as unique as the face it graces. And while the technology they use is amazing, it's really the doctors that make the difference.
I have terrible, terrible anxiety and panic attacks, all surrounding the dentist. In every other area of my life, I function quite well, but something happens to me at the dentist, I lose it.
In my 21 years of practice, I've never had a more phobic patient than Nicole.
She was so fearful of going to the dentist. I mean, when she would walk in the door, beads of sweat would be on her forehead. She'd sit in the waiting room. We'd really have to calm her down. And a lot of people these days have that fear. They might have had a bad experience in a dental practice when they were young, and they have to realize that dentistry is not that way today. Dentistry is very comfortable. It's like a spa experience walking into Glassman Dental Care. You know, you really are comfortable here. We have a great staff. People really make you feel at home.
They call you by name when you walk through the door, which, you know, as anyone knows, is a welcoming feeling.
From the first day I walked in, it was like the most warmest people and very welcome. And I felt like this is where I'm gonna have my services done.
It's just a really great atmosphere to go into. When a lot of people will sometimes avoid the dentist, it feels really nice. It's almost like you're going to like a spa or something. It's really nice.
He and his wife and all of their staff really make an effort to make you feel more than a patient, but almost like a friend. And that's important when you're doing work, you know, that's crucial to your appearance, to make, you know, to feel as though they care as much about what happens to your smile as you do.
When I go into an appointment, it's always like, it's like going to see friends.
Well, I love Dr. Debbie and I love Dr. Steven. I mean, they're both amazing. The minute I walked in the office, I've always been a little scared of going to the dentist. I'm one of those people that's like, oh God, needles, drills, oh my. And I walked in, first of all, they have leopard in the office, in the waiting room. And I was like, a dentist office that's not so stiff. And it shows their creative side. I mean, Dr. Debbie wears pink gloves when she does your teeth, and a pink lab coat that says Dr. Deborah Glassman. And from that, I just was like, they're fun. They're creative. I mean, and these are people that are creating a smile for you. So they really created a custom smile for me.
Celebrities like Don Johnson, Randy Jackson of American Idol, and Maybelline supermodel Josie Marin all have Glassman smiles. And you can too. In fact, it's one of the most important decisions you'll ever make.
I had my smile done almost a year. It's been a year. After I got married, I wanted to get it done before I was getting married. If I could go back in time, you know, every bride could do something different. I would marry the same man, I would wear the same dress, and I would have had a Glassman smile. When I'm 90 years old, wearing glitter with blue hair, I'm still gonna have the Glassman smile and it's gonna be fabulous.
I've recommended them to several friends. I know at least 2 have gone to the office and they love the work that they've gotten. So yeah, I don't hesitate to recommend them to anybody. I think they do great work.
I can't think why you would want to go to anybody else. You get everything you need there.
I basically just smile for them, and that sells it immediately.
The Glassmans are the Bentley of dentistry. They really are. If you want 5-star treatment, you should go there.
A smile is like a gift you give to others. Why not make it the best it can be? Make it a Glassman smile.